This is the hawthorn tree, and if you look at the little berries, red, and the leaves. The fruits are edible, straight off the tree. They're a little bit bitter, and they have a seed inside. Of it, so you have to be careful, otherwise you smash your teeth in. But the hawthorn berry is excellent for making hawthorn jelly. This is wild rose, and these are hips, rose hips, excellent for making rosehip syrup. They are edible. You just need to remove the seeds inside and just eat the outer flesh. Each rosehip is packed with vitamin C. There's more vitamin C in that little rosehip than there is in orange. Like I say, you can make rosehip syrup and bottle it and keep it for winter. Take a spoonful every day, and it helps keep away your coughs and colds. This is the slope. If you want to make some gin. 12 to 20 foot tall. Common in most edge roads. Here's the elderberry tree, and if you have a look at these berries, they're black. You can make really nice elderberry wine, elderberry cordial. You can eat them straight off the tree. The stems, which if you can see, a little bit of purple, and the one there that's not as black as the others, that's because it's not ripened. You have to be careful, because when they're not ripe, or you eat any of the stem, they contain a certain amount of cyanide, so you have to be careful with those. This is the blackberry, or bramble. Makes excellent bramble and apple pie.